In the first telling time video, I just went over the very basics of telling time. So we looked at the hour hand and the minute hand, and then we formed a time, such as 3:30. But there are other ways you can say what time it is or write down what time it is. In this example, because the minutes are halfway around the clock, we could say 3:30. If you look at the clock as a circle, which it is, that is halfway around, which is where the half comes in. All right, another word that's commonly used with time is quarter. 1/4 can also be written like this, which is 1/4. So if we take our circle of the clock and we split it into fourths, you can see where each quarter of the clock is located. We start at 3 o'clock and we go to the first quarter. That's where the 15 is. So that's 1/4. We go another 15, that's where the 30 is. Another 15 is where the 45 is. And the last 15 is where the next hour starts. All right, so if we have 4:15, we could say a quarter after 4 o'clock, which means 15 minutes past 4 o'clock. So a quarter after or a quarter past. If we come to the next 15, we already use the word half, H-A-L-F, not have to, but so we would not say 2/4. We would just say 4:30. When we get to this one, technically, you could hear someone say 3/4 past 4 o'clock, but you won't ever hear anybody say that, because if it's past the 6, they're going to tell you how many minutes are left until the next hour. So in this case, we would say it's a quarter till 5 o'clock, which means there are 15 more minutes until it hits 5 o'clock. Now, if you're not on a perfect quarter or half, you can still use the same terminology, but you're just going to use the actual minutes. So if it's 5:03, you could say 3 minutes past 5 o'clock or 3 minutes after 5 o'clock, because it is 1, 2, 3 minutes past 5. If we're at the 9, you could say 9 minutes past 5 or 9 after 5. You don't even have to say the minutes. People will understand what you mean. Anytime you're before the halfway mark, which is the 6, anytime you're before that 30 minutes, you can say past or after the hour. Okay, so 20 past 5 would be suitable for this one. Now, when you get past the 6, you're actually closer to the next hour. So it's more customary to go ahead and say how many minutes are left until the next hour. So if we're here at 5:35, again, you could hear someone say 35 minutes past 5 o'clock, and people would know what they meant. But that's not the customary way to say it. You normally, if it's past the 6, you're going to say how many minutes are left before the next hour. So you can see it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5:35 could be written or read or said as 25 minutes till 6, because there are 25 minutes left before it's 6 o'clock. And same with all of these. If we go here, that is 11 minutes before 6 o'clock. So you could say if it's 5:49, you could say it's 11 minutes till 6 o'clock.